What's up, everybody? Thank y'all for tuning in. And we on the other side of America this time at the Gucci store Flagship in New York, right around Times Square. Gucci, New York. We at the Gucci store, New York, man. That Flagship store. I'm about to grab me some exclusive pieces, man. Some shit just came out, so we just finna check it out real quick. See what they got on. Definitely might get this. But yeah, man, new collection. We here. It's K Code, man. You already know the drip guy. And right when we was getting here, I couldn't believe that they had just finished putting out all the latest new gear for, what you call this, their spring summer edition. And I came and I got to check out everything they had available. The thing I liked about the Gucci store was they had everything. The suits, the tops, the bottoms, they didn't have to order anything. They even had the special pants I had requested that I thought nobody had. They had it there. They definitely represented. And not only that, the staff was very complimentary of what I needed and understood my specifics. Definitely enjoyed going to the New York Gucci store. I will definitely return again. I appreciate the service, and that's part of the experience with Gucci, man. You know, we was in there drinking champagne, overlooking New York. You see the views is beautiful. I think it's 4 floors of Gucci, and yeah, definitely one of my stops in New York. Make sure y'all check out the other videos. Here go the scarves. Definitely had to get one of those burgundy scarves to go with my burgundy Gucci collection. Other scarves I have. Another thing about those scarves that I got an idea from is you can hang them on the wall like portraits, and they look very nice. But yeah, this is all the latest of the Gucci collection they have available. And for this trip and for this souvenir, I went with the classic canvas, but on the black with the oversized button-up shirt. The shirt really got the pop-open buttons, kind of giving it a oversized, but at the same time, formal look. So you can kind of style it up or style it down how you want to. Classic canvas. The canvas double G diamond monogram came out in the 1930s, I believe. And it's just been a staple and been one of the most popular things in Gucci. I think the canvas can't be duplicated. When you see that authentic, thick canvas, you know it's going to last a while. And you can tell that it's high quality. It stands out. So I chose this. That's why I always get classic canvas fits from the Gucci double G interlocking. Whether it's the brown style, the black, or any other color. I just find that what makes Gucci Gucci when it comes to their clothing, especially for men. They invented this a while ago. That's the horse bill. When you see that symbol, they invented that. Right? The horse buckle, created for horse riders. That's the Gucci store, man. Times Square, like a real player, man, from the West Coast, man. We've been to all of them. This is drip guy. This is how you gotta do it. But if you can't rock it like this, go to www.kcode3.com, man, and get the drip. So when you're walking down strips like this, people they want to talk to you and fuck with you. I designed it myself.